to how to replace the blade, the saw blade here on a Homelite. This is a Homelite Ranger, but this method is the same for Husqvarna, Homelite, you name it, Echo. They're all pretty much the same. And if you still have your kit that it came with, you're going to have the tools necessary to do it right here. Flat blade screwdriver and a wrench. So we're going to go ahead and loosen this up, and then we'll loosen this one up. And we're going to remove this cover, and you're going to expose the bar. This is a 16 inch, but as far as I remember, this is the same all the way up through the 24 inch. Okay. Once it's off, we have this piece right here. It's like a deflector. We'll just set that aside. And then we have this screw right here. That's our tensioner, right? So we want to loosen that up some to give us some slack to get this belt off. There we go. And then removing it is as simple as this. Okay, now I like to do is keep the blade on there, get my other blade lined up and make sure that I've got everything facing the right direction, because you can put this on backwards. It ain't easy, but it's possible. All right. And there you go. So I'm going to take that off of there, because this blade's no good. Now, blades can be resharpened a variety of times, man. You can do this like 5 or 6 times before you have to replace it. So don't run out and get a new blade every time that it stops cutting. Number one cause of killing blades is you hit a nail or something that's in the wood you didn't realize. And number two is the blade touching the dirt. Those are two things you try not to do. Okay, and I'm going to put that back on like so. I'm going to put my cover on. Tighten those back down. And what we're going to do is we're going to tighten them, but we're not going to go all the way down because we might have to make adjustments to the tension. In fact, you can see it's quite loose, right? So we'll get them close though, because we don't want this to be floppy. Right? And actually, look at that. As we tightened it up, we pretty much took the slack out of that. That's beautiful. So I will go ahead and tighten this all the way. And that's it. Check your tension. That's beautiful. So we're ready to get back into business with this thing. Let's do it. That's it. It's a simple video. It's a short video, but it's something that perhaps new chainsaw owners are not aware of, how easy it is to do it. And again, don't run out and replace this. Don't run out and throw this out. This you can take to a hardware store or buy a tool or a file and sharpen these again. That's it for today, my friends. I'm Eric, the owner of Farpoint Farms. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Take care.